In a world often clouded by uncertainty, Onpassive emerges as a beacon of hope and transformation. Founded on a vision by Ash Mufareh, this revolutionary movement has set its roots in the vibrant tech hub of Hyderabad, India, with a singular mission to uplift humanity through innovation and compassion. Imagine a life where opportunities are limitless, where financial justice and humanitarian spirit drive us forward. For the founders and supporters of Onpassive, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality in the making. From its inception, Onpassive has aimed to tackle the societal challenges that have plagued so many. We've seen the cracks in our safety nets, where too many have slipped through. Through the dedication of extraordinary AI developers and the unwavering belief of its founders, Onpassive is not just building a business, it's creating a legacy. A legacy of prosperity and love, a legacy that will stand the test of time. As we gather momentum, we are reminded of our purpose, to bring financial justice and to light the path for those who have almost given up hope. This is more than a mission. It's a humanitarian movement that promises to change lives, offering prosperity where there once was despair. To all the founders and supporters, your patience and faith are about to be rewarded. Onpassive is your ticket to a brighter future, a future where we all smile from ear to ear, knowing we've made a profound difference. Together, we are Onpassive, a magnificent gift to humanity, poised to influence the world in ways never imagined before. Let us cherish every moment of this unparalleled journey, knowing that our legacy will be one of compassion and abundance for generations to come. Onpassive is here to uplift, inspire, and transform. Join us in this remarkable endeavor and be part of a future filled with promise and possibility.
Welcome to a new dawn, where the essence of transformation takes center stage. Onpassive is not just a vision, it's a revolution. A movement that invites us all to rethink our motivations and embrace a higher calling. Imagine a world where financial freedom is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality, where opportunities abound and legacies are forged, not just for us, but for generations yet to come. This is the promise of Onpassive. At the heart of this transformation is a community of visionaries, founders who once sought personal gain, but have now shifted their focus toward a greater good. United by a common purpose, these pioneers are not just dreaming of change. Under the guidance of Ash Mufareh, a leader with an unyielding spirit and a selfless vision, Onpassive has become the beacon of hope for many. His unwavering dedication has built a platform where each founder can thrive. But this journey is more than just personal triumph. It's about the collective impact we can have on humanity. Together, as founders, we have the power to bring sunshine and blue skies into the lives of those who need it most. We are the role models of change, leading by example and showing the world what's possible when we prioritize others' greatness. So let us savor this journey. Let us focus not on what could have been, but on the incredible future we are crafting. For Onpassive is not just an opportunity, it's a legacy. A legacy that will be cherished by our families and passed down Onpassive. In the spirit of unity and perseverance, let us march forward, knowing that better days are indeed ahead. With Onpassive, we hold the keys to a brighter future. Together, we will prevail, and together, we will change the world. Join us in this incredible journey, where hope is rekindled, dreams are realized, and lives are forever transformed. Onpassive is our opportunity of a lifetime. Let us embrace it with open hearts and an unshakable resolve.
Have you ever felt overlooked, struggling to find your place in a world that seems to move on without you? In a time where many feel lost in financial uncertainty, there emerges a beacon of hope, Onpassive. Onpassive stands as a transformative force, a catalyst for change, ready to ignite a revolution of positivity across the globe. Imagine a world where your dreams and aspirations are not just seen but celebrated. This is the world Onpassive is crafting. For the 4.6 billion internet users and beyond, Onpassive represents a promise to rekindle hope, revitalize dreams, and enrich every aspect of your financial journey. But what about the billions who aren't connected online? Onpassive's compassion knows no bounds, extending love and care to every corner of the earth. As Onpassive prepares to touch communities worldwide, it invites you to be part of this transformative journey. Join the ranks of over 1.4 million accounts already flourishing under this innovative platform. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mufareh and the dedicated Onpassive team for turning hopes into reality. Together, we are building a brighter future for hundreds of millions. Are you ready to embrace the blessings Onpassive has to offer? Let Onpassive light the way to your renewed future, because everyone deserves to be seen, valued, and uplifted.